In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Mfc120u.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type. Open a browser. Simply search for the missing DLL and just put download. Hit enter, click on the first option, scroll down and you have to click the download button corresponding to your system type and wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then right click on the folder, select extract all, click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, locate the System32 folder, double click, right click and then select paste, click on continue, and then this will be pasted or just simply uh, put the DLL file in the System32 folder of your 64-bit Windows. Now once done, close all the remaining windows, then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.